Do the other way.
When you went to Kolkata first time, there was no diamond in '99, and then you went diamond, and that year I think we had no diamond.
I do many.
No, I have to take your videos. मेरा इंडिया का ग्रोथ होने का ना. You are already man. The inspiration. What? Come on, Didi, stay with me.
Okay, there you go.
Okay. Yeah, you in the middle.
Come.
Crowns,
All right.
Yeah.
Start.
Okay, guys, here we are at the gala residence with Kanti and Lata, Didi and Suparna, and their 27 million diamonds. Seriously, each one of them represents hundreds and thousands of people. Yeah, they're all multi-crore-patis. Together, they're Arab-patis now. But we're just so excited to be here. It's so good to be here with everybody, and just amazing. So congratulations, Kolkata team. You guys are awesome. Very, very proud of you, and all over India. I mean, thank you, Kanti and Lata, for having us here. TD Suparna, we are so proud. TD has more diamonds than people have personal TV. So we're just in awe of TD and Suparna. But Kanti.
Yeah, guys. Kolkata team, we are so excited. It's so nice to have you here. And as you all know that we've been to Kolkata so many times, but little we knew there is going to be such a huge business. And I know that you guys have taken the leadership and you are making things happen. So we really don't need to come anymore, and that is exciting. That is the best way to do it. That is how this business is all about, that you create leaders and they follow you, and then they follow other leaders, and that is how it is, guys. What is the mark of the leader is not just, he's just a good follower, but he's also a good leaders developer. That he develops many leaders, and you guys have done it, and many more to come. So guys, do whatever it takes. Join the team, make it money, make a lot of money, because Amway is going to go to what, 5,000 crores, then 10,000 crores, whatever that is, number they are talking about, so biggest, that's it, because it's after China, India is the largest country in the world, so it's going to be big. So again, it's nice to have all of these people.
Yes,
And it's so nice to have TD and Suparna. They really took the time out to bring everybody. This is not just easy, guys, Amway plans for, 4,200 people in Las Vegas. We are just only 40 people here, but these are good people. That's what.
please. Yes, just very, very excited for each one of you to, we are just blessed to have you guys. And we want you to bring lot more people. Life is great, but again, your leadership, all your leadership, we miss, of course, Asitaba, Sweta and Asitaba. We are just very proud of you. I know you are coming, but we're just very, very blessed to have each one of you, especially with Tirthankar and Suparna's leadership, very, very proud, and of course, all the great leaders that we have. So just very proud of you guys. Sugit Ajmani is here too. So that was extra. And then of course Kumar is coming with some of the diamonds, but we're just excited for each one of you. Life is good.
Yes.
Keep dreaming big, everybody.
Come.
We can't wait to see you.
It's just so good to have all of you over here. Special, time we are spending in Kanti and Lata's estates over here, and spending some quality time. We are just missing so many of you, but I believe Amway is having their next Diamond Club in New York in 2021. So there are a lot of you who can qualify to be there, and we can host, triple the size of diamonds over here.
Yes!
Love you guys. We'll see you soon.
Tiddy.
It is such a special moment. I remember building the business. Staying in a little garage and no car and nothing, and signed up. Didn't do anything for 6-9 months. Gave us such a hard time to Tushar and Devjani. They could not handle me, so they gave it to Kanti and Lata. Okay, they said that's it. Okay, but I will tell you, God's blessing and the upline's blessings and mentorship that. We have this awesome people from India. I'm so excited. Sugit Ajmani is here, okay, and the guy that never. Okay. And Kulin is here.
That's our neighbors.
He had to fly.
I
had a lot of traffic.
Kanti has very rich neighbors, okay, out there. But I will tell you, this is a blessing. Look at how Kanti and Lata have set it up, okay, like special food, special catered food from one of the premier hotels, restaurants in New Jersey. And I'm telling you, we are blessed to have mentors like this, and not everybody will do it. Okay, Kaushik is already crying. Okay, but we are so excited. We have some awesome leaders. We want to hear from them. But before that, I want to hear a little bit from our Guruji.
I tell you guys, you know, so good to see you all here, and I'm glad you took a time to come and visit and see, you know, what the dream can do for you, right? And that's all because of this couple, Kanti and Lata, you know, because they guided us and provided us the mentorship, coaching, and see where we are today. And you all gonna have the same thing, you know. So we are very proud of you, and you got the best leader in TD and Suparna, I'm telling you, you know. You can't ask for anything better than that, you know. But we're so glad that you are all here, you know. God bless you all.
And you know what? We just want to hear from the, you know, Ashitabda and Shetadi, okay, amazing business coming from Shubhashish and Sudeshna.
Yes.
Amazing. You know, we are so proud of that, the uplines. But we have Shubhashish and Sujata EDC, humongous business. So Shubhashish, Sujata, why don't you say a few words and just introduce your diamonds and EDC and just tell their names, okay? So
Ulin, we are missing you in Kolkata for many years. We forgot to bring gulab jamun from Kolkata. You have to come to Kolkata. Not only you, Meena, Kanti, Lata, everybody. You have to come to Kolkata because there are few diamonds who have never seen you in Kolkata. They have met you in Go Diamond and other places, but they have never seen you in Kolkata.
We love to come here. So love to come here. Of course, I
Madhu just joined from there. And you know,
Madhu is upline.
What to say a few words and then we'll continue.
Right now we are at Gala Estate and TD and Suparna. My goodness, Kolkata, Patna, Darjeeling, everybody, all over the India. And we always hear so many good news about you, and we get excited. So I told Sugit and even I told Kumar, I said, get their excitement and we want to blow it up.
Thank you.
But thank you to our upline because they always bring the dreams and we just follow their dreams. And today, no question asked. Since so many years we joined, until now, no question asked. It is just on the faith. And dream is real, which you can see. But folks, love you guys, and India, we are so proud of all of you.
Thank you.
And nobody will have a video with this. Okay, this is like the biggest BW video. But continue.
Actually, we have come with a big vision. This property we have seen in the videos. And now we are here, standing in front of Kanti, Lata, Ulin, Madhu, and TD Suparna, and everybody. And Sugit is also here. So it's a dream come true, and the kind of hospitality, the kind of food, the kind of enjoyment we are having here. But the good thing is that we have not come here alone. We have come here with a group, and everybody could not come. We are missing Kiriti Shashwati, we are missing Nirmalendu Dipali, we are missing some other.
How many diamonds you have?
We have 16 qualified diamonds and above. And in while we were coming from the hotel, TD sent so many cars and so many guys to pick us up. And TD did a special favor for us. He said only the EDCs. But if Kiriti Shashwati was there, and we have given him a dream that next time in A70 you have to buy a bus only to hold the EDCs in a bus. And that's a promise. And India is going to be the #1.
Yes.
And you know that we are already in a vision 23, Kanti Lata, you know that we will, from our LOS, we will clock 1,000 crores by 2023. That's a done. And now we have expanded our vision, and A70 India will be the #1.
It's a dream come true event, and we are enjoying a lot. We are really blessed by God because we have such a wonderful LOS like Kanti Lata, TD Suparna, and of course I would like to give thanks to our upline Ashitabda and Sheta. They have given us this opportunity. That's why we are here today. So we are very much grateful to them.
And give a little introduction of the diamonds here. Okay? So we can just turn it around.
We are here, Shubhashish and Sujata, Anirudh and Mohua.